Today, I'm hunting for pickup trucks that aren't just nice to look at, but actually useful in real life. Let's start with the first one.
Number 1. 1990 Chevrolet C/K 1500 Extended Cab Short Bed. Price $3,000. Location West Grove, PA. If you want affordable entry into classic American truck culture, this is exactly the kind of platform that makes sense. The 1990 Chevrolet 1500 Extended Cab Short Bed sits right in that sweet spot between old-school square body attitude and early 90s refinement. The extended cab adds practicality, room for tools, extra passengers, or just flexibility. The short bed gives it a more balanced, sportier look compared to long bed work trucks. Design-wise, this generation still carries that bold, upright front end and simple interior layout. Mechanically, these trucks are known for straightforward maintenance and parts availability, which makes ownership less intimidating. At $3,000, this falls squarely into entry-level classic territory. It's affordable enough to be a project truck, daily driver, or weekend cruiser. If the frame and drivetrain are solid, the value here is very reasonable. Long-term, clean early 90s Chevy trucks are gaining appreciation slowly but steadily. Not collector grade yet, but definitely respected in enthusiast circles. Number 2. 1992 Ford F-150 XLT Pickup 2D 8 feet. Price $3,200. Location Lebanon, PA. This is classic Ford toughness in its most usable form. The 1992 F-150 XLT with an 8-foot bed is built for real-world functionality. The long bed immediately tells you this truck was designed to work, hauling materials, equipment, or towing light loads. The XLT trim adds a layer of comfort compared to base models, upgraded interior materials, better trim, and often more convenience features. This makes it more livable if you plan to use it regularly. At $3,200, we're looking at strong entry-level OBS pricing. OBS-era F-150s have a loyal following, and clean examples are becoming harder to find at lower price points. If rust is minimal and mechanical condition is solid, this price is attractive. For someone wanting a dependable classic Ford without overspending, this is a smart candidate.
Number 3. 1984 Ford F-150 4x4. Price $1,500. Location Louisa, VA. Now this is where true budget meets vintage character. A 1984 F-150 4x4 at $1,500 immediately signals project potential. The bullnose era carries unmistakable 80s styling, squared edges, simple dashboards, mechanical purity. The 4x4 configuration adds a major plus. Even if cosmetic condition isn't perfect, the drivetrain layout alone increases desirability. At this price point, this is clearly project-level entry pricing. Expect work, expect restoration effort, but also recognize the upside. Clean 4x4 examples from this generation are becoming increasingly desirable. If someone is mechanically inclined and wants an affordable gateway into classic truck ownership, this could be a rewarding platform.
Number 4. 2009 Ford F-250 Super Duty HD Long Bed. Price $3,000. Location Amherst, Ohio. This one shifts the conversation from classic styling to raw capability. A 2009 F-250 HD long bed at $3,000 is positioned as heavy-duty utility value. These trucks were built with serious towing and hauling in mind. Reinforced frames, larger brakes, stronger suspension components. Design-wise, it's modern compared to the earlier entries, but it's already entering that modern classic workhorse stage. At this price, condition is everything. If mechanically sound, this is strong value for someone needing real work capacity without paying premium diesel prices. This is less about nostalgia and more about function. Number 5. 2007 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew. Price $4,999. Location Laurel, Maryland. This truck represents the evolution of pickups into family-capable daily drivers. The Super Crew configuration means full four-door comfort. You get passenger space, versatility, and practicality, all wrapped in mid-2000s F-150 durability. The XLT trim keeps things comfortable without stepping into luxury territory. It's balanced. At just under $5,000, this sits in affordable modern classic range. For someone who wants one truck to do everything, commute, haul, weekend trips, this is a practical solution. These mid-2000s F-150s are not yet collector-focused, but clean examples will likely age well as simpler alternatives to newer, tech-heavy trucks.
Number 6. 2006 Ford F-150 XL Pickup 2D 6.5 feet. Price $2,000. Location Laurel, DE. Simple, honest, work-focused. The 2006 F-150 XL regular cab is a nonsense truck. Regular cab means lighter weight and a tighter turning radius. The 6.5-foot bed keeps it practical without being oversized. At $2,000, this is pure entry-level utility pricing. It's not about luxury, it's about function and affordability. If mechanically healthy, this is strong value for small business owners, contractors, or someone needing a dependable utility truck on a tight budget. Number 7. 2005 Ford F-150 FX4 Pickup 4D 5.5 feet. Price $3,200. Location Newark, NJ. The FX4 badge adds personality. This trim is built for off-road capability, upgraded suspension, skid plates, and 4x4 confidence. The Super Crew layout makes it versatile for both adventure and family life. At $3,200, this falls into strong value territory for a 4x4 crew cab truck. If drivetrain and frame are solid, this is a compelling option for someone who wants capability without stepping into premium diesel pricing. Number 8. 2001 Ford F-150 FX4 Pickup 4D 5.5 feet. Price $1,700. Location King of Prussia, PA. Early 2000s FX4 models carry understated appeal. At $1,700, this is firmly budget-level project or daily driver pricing. The FX4 configuration adds desirability, especially for buyers wanting affordable 4x4 access. These trucks are simple enough to maintain, and parts remain widely available. For someone wanting an inexpensive platform with off-road credibility, this is interesting territory. Number 9. 2000 Ford E250 Super Duty Cargo Lariat. Price $1,234. Location Northeast, MD. This entry changes format slightly, but not relevance. The E250 Super Duty cargo van is built for commercial use. Heavy-duty chassis, strong drivetrains, and massive cargo space. At $1,234, this is extreme entry-level commercial pricing. If operational, it represents tremendous utility value. For mobile businesses, camper conversions, or work fleets, platforms like this can be incredibly practical. Number 10. 1996 Ford F-250 HD Long Bed. Price $4,500. Location Branford, Connecticut. Now we return to OBS-era heavy-duty reliability. The 1996 F-250 HD Long Bed is built tough. Solid axles, strong frames, simple mechanical systems. At $4,500, this is solid mid-entry OBS heavy-duty pricing. If rust-free and well-maintained, it's a strong candidate for both work and long-term appreciation. OBS heavy-duty trucks continue to gain respect in the market. Number 11.
1996 Ford F-150 XLT pickup, 2D 6.5 feet. Price $1,700. Location, Bristol, Tennessee. We close with approachable simplicity. A 1996 F-150 XLT at $1,700 is positioned as affordable entry-level classic truck ownership. XLT trim adds comfort, while the 6.5-foot bed keeps it practical. If mechanically sound, this is one of the lowest-risk ways to enter the classic pickup world. It may not be flashy, but it's honest, and sometimes that's exactly what matters.
If this video helped you get closer to the right truck, hit the like button so more people can find content like this. And don't forget to subscribe. On this channel, we break down real listings, real prices, and real vehicles so you can buy smarter, not harder. Whenever there's something new and useful, I'll bring it straight to this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.